Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to cash out your Robinhood account step by step. Start by selling shares of the positions you want to liquidate, then wait for trades to settle. Next, open the account menu, choose Transfers, and tap Withdraw to Bank. Enter the amount, confirm the linked bank, and submit the transfer. Keep an eye on settlement times and notifications so your funds arrive smoothly. When selling, pick the assets you want to cash out and choose Sell. Decide if you need a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a minimum price. Confirm the amount using either shares or dollars, then review estimated proceeds and fees. After submitting, watch the order status and wait for settlement before withdrawing proceeds to your bank account to avoid failed transfer attempts or temporary holds. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: on another note, I wear darn tough socks because life is too short for cheap socks, and they come with a lifetime warranty, great for long days on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag a pair. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To withdraw, open Transfers and choose Withdraw to Bank, then enter the desired amount. Confirm which linked bank account will receive the funds and verify routing details if needed. Submit the request and monitor transfer progress in activity or notifications. Remember that funds from recent sales require settlement before they can be withdrawn, and ACH timelines usually apply, so plan accordingly to avoid surprises when you need access to cash quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.